Good day everyone, I'm Mark Clarence Caballeros from Model 84, and today I'll be discussing the loop scheduling algorithm. So ano nga ba yung loop scheduling algorithm? Ang algorithm na to ay variation ng scan algorithm. The difference is that there are no more requests prior to the direction of the head movement, it reverses direction. Meaning, kapag wala ng request na mas mataas sa pinakadulong request, hindi niya natutuloy yung pinakataas, didiretso na siya pababa. So, specifically, laging pataas yung sa loop scheduling algorithm. Para siyang elevator, na kung saan lahat ng madadaanan ay sasakay. At pag wala na, bababa na natin. Okay? Meron tayo dito example, 64, 90, 75, 26, 48, 112, 140, 56, 29, 32, and 40. Ito yung stream of tracks natin. So, let's assume na 50 yung current head position. So, sa loop scheduling algorithm, lagi siyang magsisimula pataas. So, lahat ng madadaanan niya pataas, so si 50, madadaanan niya, ang susunod niyang mararaanan ay si 56. Pag-akyat niya, madadaanan niya si 56. And then, si 64, madadaanan niya. Si 64. And then, sunod kay 64 ay si 75. 75, 64, tapos na. 75, 76. Ang sunod naman kay 75 ay si 90. Sasakay niya sa elevator si 90. And then, sunod kay 90 ay si 112. 112. And then, si 140. And since 140 na yung pinakamataas, sinabi niya na iba siya sa scan, which is yung scan, tutubukan niya pa ito bago siya bababa. Dito sa loop, hindi niya natutubukan yung pinakataas since wala nang sasakay sa elevator, bababa na siya. So, pagbaba niya, mararaanan niya si 40. 40. Then, pagkatapos ng 40, malalaki na siya. I mean, si 48 pala muna. Sorry. Nauna si 48. And then si 40. And then si 32. 32. Then, tapos may 32 ay si 29. At C, and lastly, C26. So, i-track lang natin sila. Si 50, si 64, si 75, si 64, si 56 pala to. Oops. Sorry. Si 64, si 75, si 112, at 140, bumaba kay 56. Ay, I'm sorry, hindi pala 56, 48. And then si 40. And then si 32. Then si 29. Ang pinakamundi ay si 26. So, ayan na yung ating graph. So, ngayon, kukunin naman natin yung total read, write, head movement nila. So, para kung ngayon, kailangan natin silang ipag-subtract. Kukunin muna natin yung travel distance nila, which is makukuha natin by subtracting the higher head track to the lower head track. So 50, 56, so 56 minus 50 is equals to 6 tracks. And then 64 minus 56 is equals to 5, 4, 16, 8 tracks. Then see 75 minus 64 ay 11. Then see 90 minus 75 is equals to 15 tracks. So 112 minus 90 is equals to 22 tracks. Then, see 140 minus 112 is equals to 32 tracks. Then, pababa tayo. Magiging 140 minus 40, 48 is equals to 1. Then 48 minus 40 is equals to 8 tracks. And then 14 minus 32 is equals to 8 tracks. And then 32 minus 29 is equals to 3 tracks. 29 minus 26 is equals to 3 tracks. So now, to get the total head, read right head movement, kailangan natin kunin yung summation ng mga to. So, to get the summation, 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 11 is 25, plus 15 is 40, plus 22 is 62, plus 32 is 94, plus 92 is 94, 95, 86, 186, plus 8 is 194, plus 8 is 202, plus 3 is 205, and plus 3 is 208. So, ito na yung total read, right, head movement natin. And that's all for today. Thank you.